Who doesn't love a great 3D movie? I'm an 80s kid and 3D movies were it. Do you remember Jaws, Friday the 13th? But now we have 3D tile. It's amazing. It looks great and a great addition to your project. But if you don't plan ahead, you can run into a couple of issues. If you don't know me, my name is Craig and I'm here to help you through your 3D tile installation. 3D tiles add an amazing aspect to your design. They're great, but if you don't plan ahead, there could be a couple of things that'll throw you for a loop. I don't know if it has to be said, but these tiles, well, they're not flat. So therefore, if you've got something up against the tile, it's gonna look awkward or odd. So there's a couple of ways to kind of walk through this. Number one, don't tile a wall that has penetrations. It can be an accent wall which still gives you the effect in the room that you want, but yet doesn't give you the difficulty of having to work around electrical boxes, light switches, or plumbing plates. If you're feeling adventurous and you want to do that, let me give you a couple of tips. Number one, the best way to handle an electrical switch or an outlet that is penetrating through your tile is to purchase an outlet box extender. You can find these at most of your big box stores or even online. Most of them are paintable, so therefore they can match your installation. The key is you want to make nice clean cuts up against the box and then use a color match caulk or sealant around the box to trim it out nicely. This box gives your electrical plate a flat place to sit. When you don't use these, that electrical plate sits up against the unevenness of the tile and looks terrible. A plumbing penetration is a different animal. These penetrations are coming through the wall and they're round. The best way I can tell you to handle those is to get a core drill bit for ceramic or porcelain tile, make a nice clean cut that's a little bit larger than the penetration, and then once again, use your sealant around that penetration. This gives you a clean look and transition from your tile to the plumbing penetration and alleviates the use of a plate or a scutcheon. Lastly is your tile trim. Tile trim, where you end your tile, sometimes it's a metal edge or maybe a different type of tile. You want to make sure that tile is tall enough to cover the tallest part of your 3D tile. Now what that's going to do, it's going to create some shallows in here for the low parts of your tile. Once again, you want a really nice clean cut. Use your sealant to tie it in together and it can look seamless. Before I get to the bonus tip, please like and subscribe. Let me know how you're doing and send me a picture of your 3D tile project. Bonus tip, some tile series offer flat tiles in the same color and shade. If this is an option, it's easy. Then all you do is plan your installation using those flat tiles around your penetrations, and your face plates and your plumbing scutcheons can fit just like normal. Don't be scared of the 3D tile, just plan ahead. Pick out what's best for you and your installation and your comfort level. I picked out this next video just for you. Take a watch and don't forget, let's keep learning together and tile the world.